पंचामृत प्रेजेंस फोर्टिफाइड राइस, संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान।
Panchamrita Rice presents Food Mania.
Hello and welcome to Food Mania. So today we are doing something very interesting, and quite a few episodes to follow after this. I'm making some nice exotic rice preparation. So what I'm making today is basically Asian rice, a curry flavored rice बना रहा हूँ. And इसमें you'll have a lot of basil का flavor होगा, curry, star anise, and we are complementing it with seafood, prawns I'm using. So this is the lovely rice I'm using today, Panch Amrita. I'm using a basmati. It says here, premium basmati rice, a long grain. It's a lovely rice, I've used it. So today I'll be using for this preparation. We have a lot more rice preparations coming in weeks ahead. We are having a lot of rice preparations coming up. So this is a very nice rice, Panch Amrita, and I'll be making it with basically the IQF prawns. These are the prawns I'm using. These are peeled and deveined. If you could just see it. These are very nice, peeled and deveined. And like I said, the rice will be, will have basil, red chili, some Thai chili paste will be there. Then I'll be using little oyster sauce, and then of course little fish sauce. I'll be adding some veggies also, like I'll be adding little broccoli and then mushroom. And with that, I'll be making a very simple salad which you can make at home. What I'm using basically, different leafy salads. Like I've got the lettuce, red lettuce, romaine lettuce, English cucumber, cherry tomato, basil, garlic. I've used little cognac, and just 20 ml. I'll put half of it. And then I'll be using some vinegar, cider vinegar, olive oil, black pepper, and some seasoning. That's it. So, the Panchamrita, this basmati rice. So I'll be soaking it in water. So you have to keep it for about 30 minutes. I'll be soaking about 150 to 200 grams. So let it stay for half an hour. So the soaked rice, I have cooked it. The rice is ready. So I'm just going to strain it. What lovely flavor. This is really a fantastic rice. Panchamrita basmati. So I let the rice to strain a bit. And now for the rice, like I said, Asian rice. So I'll just show you. This has got some curry powder. This has got curry powder, cinnamon sticks, mace, and star anise. So what I'm going to do is basically keep it here, heat oil in a small pan like this. It has to be absolutely piping hot, and you have to put the oil there into the mixture of cinnamon, mace, and star anise. So I have it hot, and now I put it like this. So, I can feel the flavors. I can really feel the flavors coming. So for my rice, I'm going to use this oil. And till then, what I'm going to do this IQ of prawns, the prawns I'm using. And in that I'm going to add little egg, some beaten egg, and in that I'm going to add little corn flour. And then I'm going to add little seasoning. So in the wok I have my oil ready. So I'm going to fry these prawns. Very light corn flour, otherwise you will end up making pakoras, Light corn flour, little seasoning, and egg, beaten egg. So I have my rice ready. So I have my rice ready. Don't overcook it, prawns tend to get rubbery. So now I have the prawns ready. Now I'm going to make the salad ready and just keep it in the refrigerator for about 5-10 minutes maximum. Okay, now I'm going to make the salad now. So salad, I'm using 3 different lettuce. Using the green lettuce. Then I've got some whole garlic and some of the romaine lettuce. And the red lettuce. Then I have got some cucumber finger shape, and then got some basil. Basil, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it little smaller pieces, It will give nice flavor. And then I have some cherry tomatoes with me. And the basil. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make little dressing, very simple dressing. Now what I've got in the dressing, I've got some garlic. I'm going to add some apple vinegar. I'm going to add some virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to add little oregano, little salt, little pepper, and then I'm going to add all the 3 lettuces. cucumber, and the cherry tomato. So now very gently, I'll have to just mix them all. I'm going to add some more salt and pepper. Some more oregano. Some more virgin oil. And then I'm going to add about 15 ml of cognac. So I'm just going to cool it down for some time. So I have my salad ready. Normally, this goes very well with feta cheese, but in India, I know a lot of people don't like feta cheese. So in case you want, you can use feta cheese, but I'm using the regular cottage cheese. So you can use the paneer. You can also use feta cheese if you want. So we have the salad ready. I'm just going to cool it down a bit for 5 minutes in the refrigerator. Okay, now this is the oil I'm going to use, the star anise, cinnamon and curry powder oil. So I'll be using this oil only for making the rice preparation, the curry rice. Now first what I'm going to do is I have the garlic going on. Then I have got little chili paste. Got some fish sauce. Got some oyster sauce, very nice cucumber oyster sauce. I have the red and yellow capsicum going in, broccoli, mushroom, I have the basil and red chili going in. And then I put the prawns. Some more of seasoning. Some more hint of fish sauce. Some more oyster sauce. You have to add it by taste. because if you put it before, because this has got a salt content in it. So the salt content, might go high. So you have to be careful on that part. So that's almost done up. I'm going to add a little more. This is homemade chili paste. If you refer to our previous episodes, I have told you how to make it. This has got a shelf life of almost 3 months. So, done. Seafood rice with prawns, basil, curry powder. So, here it is, Asian rice, curry flavored seafood with prawns and some tossed greens. Bon appetit.
मॅडम सुगंध तर इतलो बरो येता जाणा.
थँक्यू.
टिफिना वांगडा त्यो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुडयो दिवपाक विसरू नाका हा.
आता तो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुळयो विसर.
कित्याक?
का या तांदळातूच सगळे न्यूट्रिशन मेळटले. पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस हातूंत आयर्न, झिंक, फॉलिक ऍसिड, व्हिटॅमिन ए, बी सारकेले 9 मिनरल्स आसात. तर हे झाले नाही निरोगी आणि सुवादिक. तर पुराय पौष्टिक आहारा खातीर
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस
असल्यास पुरो.
पुराय पोषणा खातीर पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस. घराघरांनी पंचामृता.
I hope you enjoyed. And one thing before I end, the prawns I used, it is a particular type of prawns, so if you tell me, because after the episodes, my email ID will be there, so you'll have to answer that this prawns, it comes under a classification. So if you answer the question correctly, that what category it is, not jumbo, the process of making these prawns, in a raw process, how it is done. If you tell me, Spice Restaurant is going to give you 1,000 rupees complimentary dinner. Lovely seafood, lovely Goan food, lovely Indian food. So till next time, keep watching Food Mania on Prudent TV.